Could this day get any worse? I feel like the whole world's against me. I just can't catch a break.
Young lady, did you clean your room, Missy? What did I tell you? No TV! You must do your chores! How dare they! Wait, I know. Let's sort out our feelings. Sound good? I guess that's okay. What? Yeah, okay. It's settled then. I'd better be protected. I don't want to get hurt. Let's start creating, folks.
Huh? How did I fall asleep? Huh?
Oh no, not a sneeze. Oh, that was close.
Achoo!
No! Anything but a sneeze! My favorite pillow. It's covered in coffee now. What's all that noise? Look at her! It's so unfair. Again with the tears! Wait! It's okay. Can I do something to help? My pillow, it's ruined now. Oh, that's nonsense. We can fix this, can't we? Just watch this little nifty trick. I'm creating a whole new pattern. It'll prevent the paint from covering those parts. This stamp is a great tool to use. I can do different colors too. Here's where the magic happens. Look at those clean lines. It's new and improved.
Hey!
That's incredible. Thank you.
Whoa.
That's one big bat in the cave. You've got a little something there. Where? I don't understand. Hello? He means a booger! Oh, got it. Let me get my mirror. Oh no. I can't use this thing now. Why? More tears? Wait, she needs a mirror, huh? Interesting. I can do that. Starting with this big thing. Careful, these blades are sharp. You don't want to get one of those annoying cuts. And next, we paint. I like red. You got a problem with that? No? Okay, good. Just keep painting, okay? Man, my hands are getting a bit tired. Just a few more strokes here. There, all done. This thing's mad hot. Fire, just like my soul. Will this stop the crying already? Wow. You made a mirror? It's so big, too. Yep. Way to go. If he can make a mirror, maybe I can make something, too. I've got materials. It's all about the execution. A few careful cuts. I think these should work. They can go on the edge of the umbrella. Look, a fringe pattern. And these can go underneath. Behold, my rainy day mobile. Isn't it spectacular? Wow. What? It's supposed to cure the blues. Wow! It's so beautiful. I could cry. Please don't. Come on, move! What? Are you kidding me? Dumb game! Ah! Huh? Fire! Come on, think fast! Hold on! Hey! Ow! That's hot! Here you go! Huh? So many bubbles! Wow! That always calms me down. Oh, wow! Come here! Yeah, what? Do you like my little house? It even has a big oak tree. It's much better than my house. What do you mean? I can't do anything right. Oh, it's not that bad. Don't lie. It hurts my feelings. That's not nice. Wait, look at all those colors. Stop lying. Oh, there really are colors. How cool. I'm suddenly feeling inspired. Maybe I'm not a bad artist after all. It just takes a little bit of thinking outside the box and lots of tape. Now for some color. I want to use the whole rainbow. Blue, my favorite. Ready for the fun part? Press on it with another canvas. Don't worry, it won't ruin it. Ta-da! Look at all that great texture. Pretty cool, right? Wow! Fantastic! I just followed my heart. So smart. Wait, where's anger? Hubbin. Oh, I know. Can I borrow this? Hey! They're mostly popped anyway, but it's still useful. First, use some red paint. Run the brush over the bubbles like so. And start adding other colors too. Yep, even more. The more colors, the happier you'll feel. Trust me. What's better than a rainbow? Keep going till there's no more blank space. Yes, very nice. Part 1 is done. And part 2 is in full effect. The bubble wrap fits on the canvas. And after a few gentle pushes, you've got yourself a masterpiece. Wow! What do you guys think? Doesn't it make you so happy? Perfect for above my bed. A rainbow every day. The color's nice, I guess. Both their pieces are nice. What could I make? I need some inspo. Where is it? Or is it like burning candles? Oh, hello, inspo! Yeah! Whoa, hot lava wallpaper? Very nice! I want more! My decor is hot, hot, hot! Nice! It's perfect, isn't it? As long as it makes you happy. Yikes. Hello? Delivery!
Was that the door? Strange. Who could it be? Hello? Is anybody there? Whoa, that's a big package. This is a good spot, I think. What could it be? Any motion wheel? Oh no! It's a sad face! What a shame! I don't like that. Happy? I love the way this feels. What's next? Anger? I can feel my blood boiling now. Whoa! Whoever you guys are.
Hurt you? Oh, you two.
Aw, this cat is so cute. A text from Kevin? He'll be here in 30 minutes? I'm so not ready! Oh, I'll start with my hair. All it needs is a good brush. That won't take long at all. Looking better already. Do not tell me that's a zit. Not today! It's so big.
I can't believe this look. Me neither. I'm at a loss. Maybe I can do something to help. Do you have any ideas? That would be a no, huh? Okay, I guess it's my turn. Good luck, friend. This should be interesting.
Kevin will never want to see me again! Wait! I can try covering it up. This stuff's thick enough. Do your thing, foundation. I can still see it. This is a real nightmare.
That makeup is trash! Let's do something about it. You know what to do.
Ah! I hate this stupid zit! I'm popping it!
Phew, sorry I'm late. You missed nothing good. You gonna sit? Oh, yeah, hold on. Wow, look at that. Just gonna add some light to the situation. I hope this helps. Huh? Well…
Hey, are those pimple patches? Awesome! This thing will be gone in no time. Okay, let's see if it worked. Can you believe it? I'm pimple-free! And pretty cute, I must say. Ooh, that's cute. Wow, they're all so beautiful. The best outfit of 2024? I'd look good in that, right? I think I have just the thing. Hold on. I don't remember these being so tight. Come on, please. How did this happen? What's wrong with me?
Oh, I'll take this one. Boom, baby!
Ugh! Who made these so small? Just button, okay? Ugh!
Wait, I think I can fix this. Yep.
It's probably something wrong with me.
Make it angrier! No, let me do it. What are you guys doing? Stop it! Whatever. She just needs these things. Trust me on this one. I can just tape them together. Check it out. Look, she'll be happy again in no time. Prepare for smiles, people.
What a bummer. But it's okay. I'll burn that belly fat right off. It's all about balance. 25, 26. Feel the burn and the salt. Oh yeah! Working out is fun.
Hey, it's working.
Now for the moment of truth. Here we go. Yes! We have contact! Best dressed and feeling good. Oh yeah! Hard work sure pays off.
Hey, it's the little things. That was impressive. Wait a second. This can't be happening. I'm so cold. Hi, can I get a room? Ugh, fine. It's $100. It's our, budget room. How much? I'll see what I've got. Oh, here you go. Ugh, I don't want to touch that. It smells so bad. Hey, why did you do that? It's not enough. Whoa, who's that? Now that's our kind of clientele.
I want a room.
Certainly, ma'am. What kind of room?
The best you've got?
Look at all that money! Let me help you. Here you go.
Ew, no. Can we speed this up?
Of course. This is our most exclusive suite. Wow, she's so rich. I mean, nice. Oh, I guess I'll take that room. Yo, what? Hang on. The price just went up. It's $1,000 now. I don't make the rules. Sorry about that. Huh? This is so unfair. But that's okay. I've got enough. Ugh, I didn't think this through. Take the key. That's it? Meh, I don't care. What a day. Wow, look at this room. Ugh.
What are you doing?
You're in my room.
This is my room.
I'm starting to regret this. Stay on that side.
No problem. I suppose I better get comfortable. This is the best room. Ugh, I'll try and relax. Ouch, my head. That hurt. This won't do. I'm calling the manager. Come on, pick up. Ugh, no answer. Oh, just take a deep breath. I know what to do. Money solves everything. I don't think so. It's too boring. I need something shiny. This is better. But it needs to be bigger. I know. That's more like it. Yes, this is perfect. I'll stick this to the wall. I'll need a lot more. Wow, I love it. It's wonderful. That's more my style. I can finally relax. What are you looking at?
Wow, that's fancy. I suppose I should do something. Ew, an old shoe! That's gross. What else is under there? Toilet paper? Wait, I can use this. Yeah, this'll work.
Ugh, who turned out the lights? Be careful!
This is just what I need. What can I spot? Ooh, that's interesting. This could be handy. Let's get to work. I'll place the cardboard behind my bed. Then I'll stick tubes to it. I'll do this all the way around. I think it's ready. I can't forget about the pillows. Wow, it's amazing! It's just what I wanted. I'll be sleeping like a king. Ah, that's much better.
He's easily pleased.
Room service. Chef created something special.
Aw, thank you. We have a problem. Where will I put it?
Here, take this. Is this a joke? Did you get this from the trash? Yes, I did. Ahem. Are you forgetting something?
Ugh, it's always something. Just take this.
Wow, this is my lucky day.
Hang on. Get out of here.
Oh, I was so close.
I have an idea. I'll need stacks of money. I'll build up the layers. A few more should do it. There! A new table! That was easy. Let's test it out. I'll put my food on it. Much better. Now I can eat. Wow, it looks delicious. I worked up an appetite. Mmm, so good. Beat that.
I don't think I can. Wait, I've got it! It's so obvious! I'll use the garbage can! Hey, there's a second one in here! I'll flip this over. I'll place one on top of the other. That's not quite right. Ooh, what's this? This can be the top of my table. I think it's ready. Now I can eat. I've earned this. Yummy!